At the August Reserve Bank meeting, we saw the board decide that rates would stay on hold, and this was widely expected in the market. We are certainly seeing a slowdown in the economy. Retail sales across the country declined for the third quarter in a row on volume measures, and we are starting to see inflation come down, albeit it's still not back in the target range. So the good news for home buyers and property investors is that we either are at the peak of interest rates going up or near, and that's certainly positive, and we might even see some rate declines coming into the second half of 2024. We saw Perth house prices hit a record high of 560,000. The previous high was back a long time ago in 2014 when it reached 545,000. So certainly on a national basis, Perth is still incredibly affordable. We see other capital cities' median prices well over $1 million. Also over the last 12 months, according to CoreLogic figures, we've seen house price growth of still in the positive territory, and over the last 3 months we've seen growth of 3.2%. Right now we're sitting at very low levels of stock, very strong demand from population growth, and building approvals falling away due to the lot of negativity around people wanting to build homes. So right where we sit at the moment, we're still expecting some positive price growth through 2023 and certainly in 2024 as well. At the end of July, we saw 5,181 properties available for sale in Perth, and that includes land as well as apartments and houses. And that's an incredibly low number. We're almost 40% below where we were 12 months ago. And certainly out there in the market, we're seeing very, very strong demand and just simply not enough stock available. And that's reflected in the median days to sell. Right now we're sitting at 10 days to sell a property in Perth, and that's also at all-time record lows. And that's simply because there just isn't enough supply out there in the market. So given that fact, that we're still seeing very, very quick sales and very low stock and still strong demand, we do reiterate that we still think that we're going to see good positive price growth through 2023 and into 2024. The median rental price for houses in Perth is $580, and the median rental for units is $525. And we are certainly seeing still limited stock available in the rental market. We've got 1,876 properties available for rent, and that's down about 12% over the previous month and about 16% over where we were 12 months ago. Again, very fierce competition in the rental market. We're seeing the median days to rent a property is 16 days, and we're still getting reports of in a number of properties, lots of tenants lined up. So unfortunately, the rental shortage is here to stay. Certainly helps investors' bottom line with rents going up. Not great overall, but until we get some more houses built and approved, which I can't see in the short term, the rentals market is going to stay very, very tight, and we are going to see rents continue to increase. In July, we saw a number of suburbs record solid price increases. The outperformer was Wannanup, which is in the Mandurah region. That was up 2.4%. We also saw Nedlands, East Victoria Park and South Yunderup, also a suburb down near Mandurah, up 2%. And the next in line was Secret Harbour and Quinns Rocks, up 1.7%. So you can see there right across the board, fairly broad suburbs and a broad range of areas where we're seeing price growth. It's still a very competitive market out there to buy property. We're seeing right across the board multiple attendees at properties and in a number of cases multiple offers, and sometimes well above the asking range. What we've also noticed is that the competition has become even fierce in that $1 to $2 million range. Previously it was up to about $800,000 to $900,000, but now seeing right up to $2 million, lots and lots of buyers out there. So certainly a market that interest rates have had some impact. We are seeing some people, obviously their borrowing capacity has diminished due to the interest rate rises and the servicing capabilities or requirements of the banks. But nonetheless, just the volume of people out there looking for property means that demand is outpacing supply, and we are still seeing properties go very quickly and often for prices well above their asking range. If you'd like any more information on what's happening in the market, or you'd like to learn more about investing in property, please visit our website momentumwealth.com.au or give us a call on 9221 6399, and one of our team will be delighted to help you.